Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to add keywords to your Google Ads. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official Google Ads website ads.google.com and log into your account. If you do not have an account guys, go ahead and register a new account, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of your campaigns that you're running and that you can run new campaigns and so on and so on. So guys, how do we add keywords? It's very easy. First, we want to go ahead and find this option in the upper right corner called Tools and Settings. So guys, go ahead and click on Tools and Settings right here. And now you will have a couple of options that you can choose. We want to go ahead and click this option right here called Planning, and this will drop down a couple of new options. We want this option right here called the Keyword Planner. So guys, go ahead and click on Keyword Planner right here, and now you will be brought to this new page where you can either get search volume and forecast or discover new keywords. So we want to go ahead and click this option right here called Discover New Keywords. This will bring you to this page guys where you can try new keywords that you can enter, such as it already tells us, let's try in meal delivery, and you want to enter your website that you want to use and where you want to find the keywords. So after that guys, type in get results, and then you will be able to mess around with the results and add the keywords to your website. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.